Hey everyone, welcome back to another Minecraft tutorial. Today, we're tackling something that's a game changer for anyone who's ever lost their precious items to a creeper explosion or a bad fall. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Keep Inventory in Minecraft for 2025. This feature is super useful because it lets you keep all your tools, blocks, and loot even after you die, making your adventures way less frustrating. First things first, what exactly is Keep Inventory? It's a game rule in Minecraft that prevents your inventory from resetting upon death. This is especially helpful for builders, explorers, or anyone playing in hardcore modes without the permanent consequences. Now, before we dive in, make sure you're in a single-player world or a multiplayer server where you have operator permissions and cheats are enabled. If you're in survival mode without cheats, you'll need to switch to creative or enable them in the world settings. Let's get to the steps. Step 1. Open your Minecraft game and load into your world. Make sure you're in a safe spot so you don't die while we're doing this. Step 2. Press the T key to open the chat window, or whatever your chat hotkey is set to. Step 3. Type in the command. Game rule keep inventory true. Don't forget to hit enter after typing it. If you've done it right, you'll see a confirmation message in the chat saying the game rule has been set. That's it. You've now enabled Keep Inventory. To double check, you can type game rule keep inventory and it should say true. Keep in mind, this only works in the current world you're in, so you'll have to do it for each new world if you want it enabled. Also, if you're playing on Bedrock Edition, the process is the same, but ensure your game is updated to the latest 2025 version for any potential changes. There you have it, folks, a simple way to make Minecraft a bit more forgiving. If you run into any issues, like the command not working, check your permissions or game mode. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy mining!